Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about why you should invest in the metaverse. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. You may not be aware, but the metaverse is the future of the internet. At the moment, it's hard to figure out what the metaverse is all about. It's hard to understand because it hasn't been made yet, but as you keep watching, I will try to give you a clear picture of what it's all about. A metaverse is a grid of 3D virtual globes that are meant to help people connect with each other. In science fiction and books about the future, the word is often used to describe a possible copy of the internet as a single, universal virtual environment that can be accessed by using virtual reality and augmented reality headgear. Augmented reality and virtual reality are the two main parts of a metaverse project. Distance wouldn't matter in the metaverse. In a virtual space, you could be stuck at home and still go to a meeting or concert. Augmented reality systems depend on three main things: the combination of real and virtual environments, interaction in real time, and the accurate display of 3D objects. Here are some reasons why you should put money into the metaverse. Big companies like Epic Games, Microsoft, and Facebook are already talking about it, and soon everyone will be. Lands on the metaverse are already being bought by people. The truth is that only those who take advantage of this chance early will be able to make the most of it. You can buy Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, Decentraland, Engine Coin, and many other metaverse coins at very low prices right now. When the metaverse is finally up and running, you will need these coins to do business there. There is no doubt that the price of these coins will go up in the next few months, which is why you should invest and buy some now. Right now, there aren't that many of these coins out there, which is why demand will soon go through the roof. By then, those who have it will be wealthy. Some of the most popular places to buy these metaverse cryptocurrencies are Binance, Gemini, and Coinbase. These exchanges will help you change your regular currency into the cryptocurrency you need in the metaverse. You can trade Bitcoin or Ether for metaverse tokens if you already have cryptocurrency. Here is a list of some of the most popular metaverse coins. Axie Infinity is worth $93.84 US, and its market cap is over $6 billion US. There are 67 million AXS in circulation and 270 million AXS in total. Maximum of 270 million. 2. The Sandbox cost $5.53 US and its market cap is $5 billion US. Supply in circulation is 919 million and total supply is 3 billion. Maximum of 3 billion. 3. Decentraland. It now costs $3.22 and its market cap is over 4 billion US. Supply in circulation is 1 billion US and the total is 2 billion, with the supply limit being over 2 billion. 4. The market value of engine coin is $2.73. The number of coins in circulation is 934 million, and the total number of coins in circulation is 1 billion. Maximum supply is 1 billion. Maximum supply is 1 billion. Don't miss out on this wonderful chance. You don't have to buy a lot of those coins at once. You could get a few units every now and then and hold on to them. In the long run, it will be worth it for sure. I really hope that this little bit of info will help you get to the moon. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.